Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to review another robotic pool cleaner by AIPER. I have already reviewed here, just freshly launched, AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max, and now guys, today I am reviewing his little sister, the AIPER Scuba X1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This one comes with an ultrasonic sensors for obstacle avoidance and recognition, as well as placeable MicroMesh Ultra-Fine Filter, and it can do up to 2,150 square feet and up to 180 minutes on one full charge. It comes with a wireless charger and a smart app that you can fully control and customize your robot through, and it works with a WavePath 3.0 intelligent path planning technology. So guys, there is a lot of tech features, a lot to say, so let's get started with the tech review, and I will be sure to explain all the technology, and it's a crazy technology that this robotic pool cleaner works with. Well, let's get started.
If you have ever owned a pool, you already know it's not the relaxing palm tree fantasy every brusher makes it out to be. Between skimming, scrubbing, vacuuming, and trying to catch leaves before they sink, pool maintenance eats up way too much time. That's why I've been testing the AIPER Scuba X1, and thank you so much AIPER for sponsoring this video. And guys, this is gonna be a honest review of my personal experience. But I can tell you right now, this isn't just a pool robot. It's basically a pool butler. The Scuba X1 is built with a dual jet system that delivers 6,600 of GPH ability of suction. That's insane. It pulls up fine sand, small pebbles, and whatever else settles on your pool floor. No problem. Easy peasy. Most single jet competitors just cannot compete with this level of performance. And unlike cleaners that kind of just simply kiss the water lane and goes away, the Scuba X1 actually scrubs it. Thanks to the WaveLine 2.0 technology, it maintains constant contact with the horizontal water line. So any type of grease, buildup, sunscreen residue, it is all gonna get wiped out in one pass. And here is what really sets it apart: the MicroMesh Ultra-Fine Filtration system. It captures debris as small as 3 microns, which is practically invisible to the eye. Dirt, pollen, fine dust, it all gets locked away, leaving your pool crystal clear. The AIPER Scuba X1 doesn't just clean powerfully, it cleans intelligently. It uses a WavePath 3.0 navigation with a high precision DTOF sensors. This technology allowing the Scuba X1 to be able to detect obstacles, avoid collisions, and cover your pool with calculated, adaptive routes. Well, my today's pool is in a kidney shape, and AIPER did a great job. It comes with 4 PVC roller brushes and a smooth track style movement. It climbs walls, navigates corners, and cleans edges without needing you to lift a finger. Now, the Scuba X1 offers 4+1 cleaning modes, and these are floor-only mode, wall-only mode, waterline mode, auto mode for scheduled and energy-efficient cleaning. Now, the auto mode will give you floor, wall, and waterline all cleaned together at one session. It covers up to 2,150 square feet per charge, which making it ideal for medium to large in-ground pools. And now let's talk about the battery ability and charging. It comes with 2 options to charge. So you can charge it by directly plugging it into the power, or you can use a wireless charging dock. And in this case, the power cable connected to the wireless charging dock and not to the robot itself. And you simply just put your robot onto the charging dock and it will be charged wireless. This is a game changer type of a design. We would like as less water as possible around our charging devices, around electricity. And this is how AIPER gives you one more layer of safety and of protection with the wireless charging design. So this charging technology is lowering any type of risks that can be out there. And now guys, in conclusion, here is in my opinion what makes the Scuba X1 to stand out. It's cordless, which means no tangling, no outlets needed, and a full freedom to move. It cleans better and smarter than the traditional vacuums or a random trajectory bots. It scrubs the floor, the walls, and the water line with a real physical contact, so no almost clean type of situations with your pool anymore. And its filtration is the most advanced I've tested at this price point. But beyond the specs, it's delivered on what AIPER says is their mission, giving you back your time and comfort. And a pool that actually feels like paradise, not another weekend chore. It is all about bring vacation home. So if you are still cleaning your pool the old way or using a robot that does half the job, it's time to upgrade. The Scuba X1 isn't just a cleaner, it's the keeper of clean, the easier of every day, and the deliverer of summer sanity.
Well guys, in general, I absolutely love the Scuba X1. It's doing an amazing job, and AIPER always brings us the best and the highest technology out there so we could enjoy our weekends, our weekdays, and just rest and spend this valuable time with our family or doing, just like better things, free up our hands and make our life better. This is AIPER's motto, bring vacation home, because they are truly giving you so much free time by taking off you the messy and hard work of cleaning your pool. Well guys, be so very sure to check AIPER Scuba X1. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours. And this is a prime day. So guys, it's a prime day. So this is the lowest price of the year right now. So you snooze, you lose. So I would highly recommend not to snooze, because you're gonna lose. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. So Valentine.